Good morning, boys and girls. This is Mr. Voss, and today is Tuesday, February 23rd, 2021. Here are the instructions for today's reading module. This module can be found under my reading course page in Canvas. In Reader's Workshop today, we are working with the skill of debate. Yes, debating. So today you are going to learn what a debate is, and you will be presenting a debate. Now, if you're at home today, obviously it might be beneficial if you could do a debate with someone else. I know here in the classroom, students will be paired into twos, and we will be doing a debate, and I will be going around and observing today in the classroom about a debate that you will be taking from a handout for today's lesson. We are working in Calkins Unit 3 lesson today, Lesson 13, Debating a Prompt-Rich Book Conversation. So at home today, if you can find someone to help you with this, where you can do a debate with someone else, that would be really beneficial. If not, you're going to have to kind of role play or pretend that you are debating with somebody and go from there. So first, you're going to watch a couple videos, real short videos about first of all, what a debate is and how to debate. Then there's going to be an actual debate about a topic. Please observe these, and then you can take some of those ideas into your debate if you are at home, and hopefully maybe someone can be with you there to you can debate with. Now, we are debating on the Home of the Brave, the novel that we are working on this unit. There are 4 ideas on a handout that I have on here for this module. The students in class are going to choose 2 of these different ideas. They're going to have to write some ideas down on index cards. One of them will be for, and the other one will be against. So the ideas are around Home of the Brave. I know there's one idea about the main character, Keck. Also, another one about whether Keck misses his mother or not. Another one is Keck sadder than another character in the story? And is Minnesota the right place for Keck? So these are 4 ideas that the students are going to do here in class. Also then, after they do debate for a couple of minutes, there is an activity on the back side of this where there's a claim, and which is an assumption, and then you have to come up with some pros and cons for that, and then you're going to come up with a debate idea about this particular claim. So please pay close attention to both sides of this handout. There's only one handout. And again, we are debating today. Please follow these instructions. At the bottom of the front side of this handout, it says come up with some other ideas that you could debate about in Home of the Brave that we have already covered. Now remember, we are finished with part 1, and we will be starting part 2 this week, probably tomorrow, with Home of the Brave. But these ideas you've already mentioned and heard about, so please take your time with this debate. Have fun with this, and this should be a very meaningful and an interesting lesson today for you to do. Now, the next part of Reader's Workshop is the Word Wisdom Vocabulary lesson. Today you are going to be working for Mr. Kirchhoff's class, Unit 7, Lesson 2, and the pretest PDF is on here. Please review and study that. Then you will have 2 workbook pages to work on. Now, if you're in Mrs. Holcomb and Mr. Voss's classes, you are working with Unit 2, Lesson 1. The pretest PDF is on this module. Please review and study for that. Then you will also have 2 workbook pages to work on. After this portion of Reader's Workshop, you will work on 30 minutes of daily MobyMax lesson. You can do any of the 3 reading parts on MobyMax or the vocabulary part. Please take your time, but please do 30 minutes of this. Then continue to work on this week's reading log It will be due next Monday, March the 1st. Again, you need 3 things basically: recording minutes, choosing a question and answering it completely, and a signature. So this is the last week for the month of February for the 500-minute reading challenge. So please make sure, if you are short coming into this week, that you do get enough minutes to meet that challenge goal. Okay, that is it. If you have any questions, email me at rvoss@yorktown.k12.in.us or send me a message through Canvas. I will try to get back with you as soon as I can. Thanks for all of your hard work, and have a great day.